Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to delete your Instagram account. It's very simple, so I will show you in a few steps how to do this. So let's start with the tutorial. Alright, if you go to right in the bottom, we see our profile just right here. And when we tap on the three stripes right in the top, you will see here Account Center. If you do Account Center and goes to Personal Details, you will see your number, your date of birth and account ownership and control. If you tap on that, you will see deactivation or deletion. Alright, now we have to tap on our profile. You can choose deactivate or delete. We want delete, and if we continue, we have to give Instagram a reason why we are deleting our account. I want to remove something, and then if you do continue and then do continue again, then we have to fill in our passwords. Confirm. And our account is gone. Alright, this is how it works. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. Smash a like if it was. I wish you a very good day and see you maybe in the next tutorial. Ciao.